especially if you get into combat. I know when I shot down my first airplane, I was 18 years old, so it's a young man's job, really, to do that kind of work. But challenging, you know. Every day, you know, you're going to get challenged. When I first got in the military, I was in the infantry, 141st Infantry Division. And one day the first sergeant, after we had a press march, came in and said, does anybody pass a 2-year equivalent of college and is physically qualified, can apply for aviation cadet, which I did. And that's when I graduated from being an enlisted man to be, I graduated as a second lieutenant, and that's how my career started. I was in fighters all my life, 31 years flying. I flew a T-33 and then transitioned into the P-38 from that. It's a little hazardous work, especially if you get into combat. I know when I shot down my first airplane, I was 18 years old, so it's a young man's job, really, to do that kind of work. But challenging, you know. Every day, you know, you're going to get challenged. It was my birthday, and if I thought I was going to live 100 years, I'd have taken better care of myself, probably.
I join many other admirers in thanking you for your inspiring service in the United States Air Force. Our veterans represent the very best of our nation. As a recipient of the Silver Star for your gallantry and valor during World War II, your remarkable leadership, courage, and service will always be honored and cherished.
I did a lot of service and all that kind of stuff, and it just makes me very modest that today I was kind of honored for my service. And it was my pleasure, really, getting that little plaque beside that new fast airplane. It was kind of special. And I'll cherish it for sure. It'll be the #1 place on my counter. So I appreciated it. I feel very modest about it. I feel very undeserving. But it is what it is, so I thank you.